In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Elementor template with ease and precision. Whether you're looking to adjust a specific design or perhaps revamp a whole section, understanding how to effectively edit an Elementor template can truly transform your website development skills. Let's dive into the process and ensure you feel confident at every step. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Once you're there, look for the Templates option on the left-hand menu and click on Saved Templates. This section houses all the templates you've curated or customized within your Elementor journey. Think of it as your personal library of designs that are ready for a tweak or two. Upon arriving in the Saved Templates section, you'll find a list of your custom templates neatly laid out. Hover over the template you're interested in editing. It may seem straightforward, but this part is crucial. You'll notice an option pop up to edit with Elementor. If you prefer, you can click on the title of the template and then choose Edit from there. Either way works, so choose the method that feels most intuitive to you. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you can start making the necessary edits. This is where you can unleash your creativity. Perhaps you're adjusting text to better suit your content needs, altering images for greater impact, or even refining the layout for a more engaging experience. Whatever changes you decide to make, ensure they enhance the look and feel of your elements and bring you closer to your design goals. Remember, Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface means you can experiment freely, so don't hesitate to try different things until you're satisfied with the result. After you've made all of your desired changes, it's crucial to save your work. You'll do this by clicking the Update button, typically located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This action finalizes your edits and ensures they're preserved for all to see. It's like hitting Save on a document you've spent hours perfecting. All those meticulous changes are now stored safely. One of the exciting features of using templates in Elementor is the convenience it offers. Any page that employs this edited template via the template widget will automatically reflect your updates. This means a single edit can have a wide-reaching effect across various segments of your site, maintaining consistency without additional effort on your part. And there you have it. Editing an Elementor template is as simple as that. With these updates seamlessly applied across your site, you can keep your pages looking fresh and engaging. I hope this tutorial empowers you to harness the full potential of Elementor templates and takes your website design to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!